Hi, and welcome to the So Many Things YouTube channel. I'm Tim, your host. Here you get to sew with the boys, quilt with the boys, embroider with the boys, and of course, mostly have some fun, and you might learn something along the way. Stay tuned! So now we've wound a bobbin, but we need to put our bobbin into the machine. On the plate here we have a little white switch with an arrow next to it. We're going to pull that little switch forward and that will release our bobbin cover. We want to make sure we pull our bobbin cover out to the side. It has little edges on here. Those are very important not to break them off when you're handling the cover. We're going to drop our bobbin in, and there's a diagram on our plate here to show you which way the thread goes. You're going to drop it in like the letter P. You're going to pull the thread forward so it goes into the slot. And on the plate here, there's a 1 and a 2 with arrows to follow. So you're going to pull it around, keeping your hand low and pulling it around 1, 2, 3. And the fourth piece is to pull it and go straight back. Here, there's a cutter there that cuts the thread off for us. So now I don't have to worry about my bobbin thread at all. It's in my tension system. It's held in place for me. So now I can put my cover back on. I want to put those little notches in first. So I'm going to put it in a little angle and then push down on it. Now my bobbin's in place. My cover is in place, and I'm ready to sew. Thanks for watching.